So 1010 close friends only. So how to use this app in a in a safe way. So here is the app. I already got like 40 plus friend requests because I just made a YouTube video and shared my invitation code. But this is the app which is designed for only your close friends, because this app can be very invasive. It works on your locked screen, and it's like a walkie-talkie. When your friend talks to you, it's on a speaker mode, and everyone can hear it. So this app, I would just really recommend you to have like 5, maximum 10 friends on it, and only speak with them, because it's not like Facebook Messenger. If you're using this app, it works like a speaker, and when friend talks to you, it works on a lock screen, and your phone can become super noisy all the time. So you can also just go and try to remove friend. Just go tap on 3 dots and remove friends. And as a measure, I would just tap on the any profile and then tap mute everyone and tap mute forever. So this way you just mute everyone. You just mute, there are some bugs, but basically you muting everyone, and then you only go to your close friends, and then basically tap to unmute only those friends. For some reason, this app is still quite buggy. So as you can see right now, everyone is muted. I restarted the app because it wasn't working. And then I'll just go to my close friends, and then, oopsie, and then I just unmute my close friends. And this way, even if I have like 20 friends, only my close friends can call me. For all other people, I will be like, do not disturb, and then they can't call me. As you can see, here's what will happen. So once again, just go to the app, mute everyone, and only unmute your close friend.